You know 20 things about love most people learn too late in their life. And अगर आपको अभी इस बारे में पता चल जाए, by learning them now, you can avoid the hard lesson in future.
Narendra Kaur is the author of the book The Phoenix from Ashes to Rebirth, founder of the Women Power Unleashed, who helps women to raise the phoenix in themselves and live a supremely empowered and dignified life.
So my name is Narendra Kaur. I'm the author of the book The Phoenix from Ashes to Rebirth, and today I'm gonna talk about ऐसी कौन सी 20 things हैं जो लोगों को बहुत लेट पता चलता. So first thing about that is you can't assume someone knows you appreciate. Yeah. So don't take your partner for granted. Even if you have been together for 20 years or 25 years, जितने भी साल हो गए हैं आपकी शादी को आपके पार्टनर के साथ, tell your partner that you appreciate them, preferably every single day. It's really very important in a relationship. A simple appreciation, I appreciate you, remind it every day and nurture the relationship. Number 2, sometimes you have to choose happiness over being right. जनरली क्या होता है कि रिलेशनशिप में कि हम लोग एक दूसरे को सही और गलत करने की कोशिश में लगे रहते हैं. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट हैप्पीनेस कि हमें खुशी ढूंढनी है, तो ट्राइंग टू बी राइट एट द एक्सपेंस ऑफ योर पार्टनर्स हैप्पीनेस विल मेक यू अनहैप्पी forever and as well. So you both are a team. One loses, the other one also loses. So make a team and get the happiness out of it. How can we do that? That's the way out. So number 3, you are better off alone than settling for someone who keeps your bed warm. So it's not fair to either person if you settle on a relationship for the sake of being in one. You are telling yourself you don't deserve more. You are closing off the path for either to meet someone else. And just because you are in a relationship does not mean your loneliness will disappear. Without a genuine connection with your partner, you will simply be going to bed with a friend every night. It's not. Number 4, date what someone presents to you, not their potential. So I've talked about with countless people with who thought that they could change the person they are dating if they only had more ambition, they would be successful, that this and that. But thinking this way is building a relationship with something that does not fit. You will have high expectations that the other person never agreed to. So you'll end up representing them even though you created this resentment yourself. Number 5, another person cannot make you happy. Remember it. If you're not happy with your life, when you are single, a relationship won't fix it. Never ever. Yeah. Happiness is an inside job and you only have the right to do that. And it's not your partner's job to make you happy, nor is their fault. When you are sad, then it's your job to fix it. Number 6, you can't make someone love you. People can't control who they love, no matter how hard you try to take someone love you. Forcing things won't change their mind. Number 7, surface level qualities won't make for a lasting relationship. So this advice feels eye roll worthy, but it's true. Looks, ambition, and wealthy might initially attract you to someone, but it won't make you happy in the long run. Number 8, you either grow together or you grow apart. You're a lot different than the person where you were 10 years ago. So you'll be a whole different person 10 years from now. And if you're with someone who is not interested in growing as a person, you'll find you'll start to grow apart in life. Number 9, love is a choice, not a feeling. So feelings come and yet people are in a relationship for decades. That's because love is not a feeling, it's a choice. Number 10. Love is not enough to make a relationship work. Believe it. Sometimes two people can be in love and be wrong for each other. If you don't treat each other well or don't have mutual trust or respect, you are bound to be in a relationship that won't stand the test of time. Number 11. Continue dating yourself in the relationship. To this day, I love myself. I schedule my self care, I schedule my daily routines. So, when you stop dating yourself and give all your love to your partner, is the point at which you stop being the person who you are. First, fall in love with yourself, which is really very important. Number 12. It's up to you to ask for what you want in the relationship. Yeah? Your needs are your responsibility. You have to speak up. You have to speak out when something is in there in your mind. Your partner should respect what you ask for, but you can't expect them to be a mind reader. It's not possible. Staying quiet will only cause you more pain. Number 13. You don't need to agree about everything. You need to respect each other. So it's okay to have different views on things, and in fact, having different opinions will keep your relationship interesting. But being disrespectful just because your partner disagrees with you will chip away your relationship. Number 14. A relationship is something you contribute every single day. A relationship is not one thing, it's a million little things. It does not stop the moment you decide to be exclusive or when you say the word I do. It's like a small child. You have to care for them every single day. Number 15. Pointing out problems won't make anything better. So coming to your relationship with only problems will create more problems. No one wants to hear about what they are doing wrong, with no assistance on how to fix things. If you are going to bring up an issue, make sure you have a solution out of it. Number 16. When you love someone, you don't try to change them. Rather, you aim to understand them. You both should feel comfortable in the relationship, not that you're not good at it. Number 17. Every relationship has value, no matter the length. You might feel like you wasted 2 years of your life on someone who dumped you, yeah, but that's not true. I'm sure that there were happy memories and at the very least lessons what you have learned in the relationship. Number 18. You can't expect your partner to meet all your needs. Not possible. So psychotherapists also said that how we expect our partners to give us what a community once did. We want security, a best friend, a lover, and a co-parent, a partner, intellectual stimulation, and a hobby buddy. Number 18. Love won't look like it does in the movies. I spent too many years thinking love was meant to look like there's some 90s movies or whatever 80s movies. Now that tears, being mean to each other and breaking someone you love's heart might make for a great movie, but it won't make for a healthy relationship. Don't get caught up in a perfectly scripted plot. Number 20. Don't compare your relationship to other people's. Put down your phone, get off social media, stop thinking that if you had your sister's relationship, you would be happier. Everyone is different. Focus on your own relationship rather than comparing what you don't have to be on other people's around you. So rather than guessing of how love works, you can look to people who have already learned the lesson. It's like a mini love hack for life. So with this knowledge, you can make wiser choices in your love life and hopefully avoid some pain in the long run. Thank you so much for watching to me. And if you want to know more about me, I'm a life coach. You can take individual coachings with me. You can directly contact me and DM me on my Facebook, on my YouTube, on my Instagram. Stay tuned with me for more episodes. I'll be back soon. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, please share with your friends and family. Thank you. Take care. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.